What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, guys, and today I'm at a local park really close to my work, and so I'm just gonna shoot a couple packs while I'm on lunch break, and I thought I'd share the footage with you. I've been at this park before, but there was people here, so I couldn't really fly a whole lot, but so I'm gonna show you kind of what my plan is for today. Alright, so my plan is I want to take off from here, get all the way down over there by those trees, and then I'm gonna come around this like roller rink thing, whatever it is. I wanted to try and do a S turn up over those trees, but there was some people walking earlier, so I don't think I'm gonna get a chance. And then there's a couple of gaps by these trees here that I want to get to, and maybe some of this proximity stuff around this cool building. So that's my plan for today, and we'll see how it goes. Hope you guys enjoy the flight footage.